Setting up the Wi-Fi and registering of the STRATA HEAT Thermostat. By watching this module, you will learn step-by-step directions on how to set up the Wi-Fi feature on the thermostat and also how to register your units by using the www.mystrataheat.com website. STRATA HEAT thermostats are dual voltage, 120 volts, 240 volts, and are simple to use. The thermostat comes in two options. The first is the STRATA HEAT Wi-Fi thermostat. This thermostat is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control the features via smartphone technology. The second option available is the STRATA HEAT Programmable thermostat. This option is a digital programmable thermostat that doesn't offer Wi-Fi capabilities and is solely controlled by the unit itself. If you are using this model, please view the other STRATA HEAT thermostat programming module. Please note, you do not have to connect to Wi-Fi in order for the thermostat to function. All programming options can be accessed directly on the thermostat touchscreen. When you have connected the power and the STRATA HEAT thermostat turns on the first time, the unit will ask you to select a language. There are currently 8 languages to choose from when using the thermostat. Choose whichever language you are most comfortable in using and reading. Select your language by clicking either of the arrows on the screen. Once your language is displayed, click Accept and it will proceed to the next screen. The next screen to display will be the Set Wi-Fi Network screen. If you are not ready to set up Wi-Fi at this point, click No and it will proceed to the next step in the setup process. You will have the option at a later date to set up Wi-Fi by clicking Setting and Network once the thermostat setup process is complete. The thermostat will still function if the Wi-Fi is not set up. If you have selected Yes, the thermostat will begin searching for available networks. Once the screen displays the network you would like to choose, simply click on the network on the screen followed by the Accept button. If this is a password-protected network, the unit will ask for you to enter the password. The up and down arrows on the screen will cycle through the alphabet and the left and right arrows will move to the next letter. Once you have entered the password correctly, the unit will connect, showing a connection successful screen. Click OK to save and proceed to the next step. The screen will now display "To complete setup, your device number is," and display your device number. Please make note of this number, as this will be needed to control the unit on your phone and to register on the website. Once this number is written down, click OK. This will complete the initial setup of the thermostat. If you misplace the device number or forget to write it down, it can easily be found once the setup is complete. Simply click on the Menu button, the 3 lines on the bottom middle of the screen. Click Setting, followed by Advanced Settings, and finally click About, and the device number will be displayed. You will register your STRATA HEAT thermostat at www.mystrataheat.com. You will be presented with this screen. If this is your first time using this feature, please click Register and follow the prompts. Once registered and logged on, the main screen will be displayed. To add your new STRATA HEAT thermostat to your locations, click the plus sign below. If you have multiple thermostats in your home, you will create a location for each one. This will be helpful if you're looking to control the thermostat via the internet or from a mobile smartphone device for a specific room or area. Once registered, you can begin to control your Wi-Fi thermostats. The start times, end times, and temperature can be adjusted from your smartphone or mobile device. Explore the available options of the STRATA HEAT Wi-Fi thermostat. The thermostat will learn your routines through the GPS system and apply the most efficient settings for your home. Accessing the programs and monitoring your energy usage will allow you to reduce your heating usage by up to 25%.